Videography, what's it like on the Nikon Z50 Mark II? Well, that's a question that I will answer in the following minutes. I'm taking this baby out for a spin, and by a spin I mean I will film with this straight handheld, no stabilizer, no gimbal, no whatever, just straight from my hand. Obviously for this part of the video I'm using my smartphone, my S24 Samsung Galaxy. I will make this again a POV video. I will put the smartphone on my chest with the GoPro mounting system, and this will be a picture in picture. The footage coming from the Nikon will be big, the POV part of it will be a little bit smaller, so picture in picture. See you in a bit. Okay, so this camera, I like it. I bought it last year. The only thing I really miss of this for this camera is the IBIS system, which is the in-body image stabilization. It has no stabilization whatsoever. If your lens has a stabilization system, you can use the electronic VR. There's an option. I can quickly show you this. It's under my eye menu, sorry, it's here. This is the electronic VR from the lens. You can see it crops a little bit because it needs to handle the image in the correct manner. Okay, enough about this. Let's go for a walk, and I'll hit record to this camera. Did I turn off the stabilization? Yeah, turn it off. All right, let's go for a little walk. So that really is the downside for this camera, the only one I could find. It has a very good focus because it has the X-Speed 7 processor, which is in the Z9, the Z63 as well, the ZFC I believe also. And yeah, as I walk you can see it's like bobbing around a lot. If you do not want any jitter whatsoever, you must use a gimbal. The only really good camera that has that, in my opinion, is the Osmo Pocket 3. I owned one, but I sold it to buy this one. I can show you some video footage of that as well. As you can see, it's pretty stable. So currently I'm shooting at 10-bit SDR. So under 10-bit menu you have SDR HLG. If your monitor supports that, I would choose that option. And you have N-Log. N-Log is the flat color scheme of things. I believe Sony has S-Log, Nikon has N-Log, Canon, I don't know, maybe C-Log. And DJI has D-Log M. That's what I remember from the Osmo Pocket 3. You can shoot in 8-bit as well, but I believe it's more obvious to shoot in 10-bit. It's easier to color grade afterwards. And as I said, I'm not doing any color grading, any stabilization control in the software I use. I use DaVinci Resolve, by the way, to edit my videos. And yeah, so you can use a gimbal, or you can do a ninja walk. I don't know if you know the ninja walk. That's when you bend your knees and walk from kneel to toe like that to stabilize your footage. So this is when I walk. I'm just walking, showing you some scenery, and I will now implement the ninja walk. I will crouch down on my knees, tuck my elbows in, and just you can see I'm just swiveling a little bit from left to right. But I'm just doing the ninja walk right now. You can see it's much better than when I walk in a normal way. I hope you enjoyed this video straight out of the camera. By the way, hi, my name is Peter from Life in Pixels. Life is full of pixels. And I'm 47 years old, just started this review channel of the Nikon Z50II. You can watch my very first POV style video on photography right here, so definitely check it out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye then.